Relationships often begin with a sense of excitement and deep affection, where couples feel an intense attraction and make promises with one another to live forever with each other. This initial phase is characterized by passion, romance, and a strong emotional connection. However, as time passes, many couples find that the initial charm begins to fade, leading to a higher likelihood of breakups. There are several reasons for this decline in interest and the eventual end of relationships. One primary reason is the natural progression of relationships. Initially, partners may idealize each other, overlooking flaws and focusing on positive traits. As time goes on, reality sets in, and they may start to notice differences in values, habits, and lifestyles. These differences can lead to conflicts and misunderstandings, causing a strain on the relationship. Additionally, the excitement of new love can diminish as couples settle into routines, making the relationship feel stagnant. The lack of novelty can lead to boredom and a desire for something more thrilling, which may prompt individuals to seek excitement outside of their current relationship. Another significant factor contributing to breakups is infidelity. Cheating can occur for various reasons, including emotional dissatisfaction, lack of intimacy, or even financial stability. One partner may feel unfulfilled and find themselves attracted to someone who seems to offer more, whether that be emotional support, financial security, or simply a sense of adventure. This can create a deep sense of betrayal for the other partner and can lead to the breakdown of trust, which is often irreparable. Moreover, external pressures such as financial stress, family issues, or work commitments can exacerbate tensions within a relationship, making it more challenging for couples to maintain their connection. In conclusion, while many relationships start with deep affection and promises of lasting love, various factors contribute to their eventual decline. The natural evolution of relationships, combined with challenges such as infidelity and external pressures, can lead to a loss of interest and charm over time. Understanding these dynamics can help individuals navigate their relationships more effectively and address issues before they escalate to the point of breakup.